cleaning. I just love cleaning. I hope the person who invented it was given an award for their genius invention. And anyway, how can anyone punish their own sister with these medieval methods? As if there really was a reason for that.
Hi guys! Am I seeing things or is this silly girl cleaning with Sue's favorite shirt? I need to make sure.
Who knew Fluffy wasn't supposed to ride in the washing machine? He seemed to have enjoyed it. Where does it say cats can ride washing machines?
Hi, Samantha. Hey, Samantha, how are ya, Samantha? Let's go play.
I can't. I need to clean. So sorry, guys. No video today.
Are you running a fever? Sue will do the cleaning. Come.
No, Sue told me to clean. It turns out you have to pay for your mischief.
What did you do?
Well, first I gave Fluffy a ride in the washing machine. Then I made a scarf out of Sue's dress. But the last straw for Sue was when I wished her good morning in the bathroom mirror.
Oh, you're something.
It would have been fine, but Sue took away my phone, my computer, and the internet for a week.
Oh, that's too cruel. Who put her in charge?
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Anyway.
That's right. Huh. She'll see.
Actually, we can have fun without the internet. For example, inflate some balloon and pop them.
Give me that.
Hey, I've got a black one too.
It'll come in handy.
What are you up to?
Well, I've had this Halloween idea, and it's right on time now.
Yay! I love Halloween.
Yes, Sam, bring Sue's doll, please.
I'm off. Yahoo! I wonder which of these dolls belong to Sue. Hey guys, what do you think? Write your answer in the comments, and we'll check and see who was right. 1, 2, how are you? 3, 4, hold at the door. 5, 6, my name is Fix. 7, 8, sorry I'm late. 9, 10, I'll say it again. Oh, doesn't matter. I'll take this one.
I've decided to make a couple of Halloween costumes. I'll use ordinary balloons for that. First, we'll cut off the bottom. This will be the top. That's why I need to make a cut. And also 2 holes for the arms. Let's try it on. The top fits well. I like it. Now it's time for the skirt. Let's cut this pretty balloon here. And here. It's time to try the skirt on. Oh, these stars look really cool. Let's do this here. Oh, no.
Here! I brought her.
Oh, great. Dark-haired Barbie is what I need.
This costume is coming out so pretty.
The angel costume is for my doll.
And for Sue's doll? Oh, I get it.
I'm done with the wings. Now let's make the base. We'll need this fluffy wire. I will insert it into the wings. Carefully now. I don't want to tear them. And now we need to attach them to the top.
And the halo? An angel should have a halo.
Fine, let's make one. I'll take another piece of the wire and fold it like this.
How's it gonna hold?
Let's attach it to the ponytail.
Holy cannoli, she's so cute.
Yep, just like me. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. I'm gonna use a black balloon for Sue's doll. It'll be a real Halloween costume. We'll make a sleeveless top. Looks good. And we'll use another black balloon to make mini shorts.
Samantha, this is a mini costume.
Fine, let's also make the sleeves. We'll take small balloons and cut off everything we don't need. Now we'll make unusual tips for the sleeves. This will make the sleeves look unique.
As if they were chewed by a dog.
Nope. Let's try them on the doll.
I think it looks fine.
Fine.
I mean, really cool.
Now we'll use this heart-shaped balloon to make a skirt. We'll cut off the excess from one side and the other. I hope I got the length right.
Well, I've got one more red balloon just in case.
Thanks, but it looks rather pretty.
And the horns!
To make her look just like Sue,
Yep.
let's bend it like this. And like this. I hope they will hold well. Get me some of this wire, please.
Here.
We'll make a tail for Sue. Now she'll think twice before taking the phone and the internet for me.
Oh, yeah. In this costume, the doll looks so much like Sue, especially when I eat her sweets.
Or when I cut her dresses. Both costumes look awesome!
I'd wear these for Halloween myself, but I'm handsome as I am.
You didn't put away your toys again!
I'm sorry, sister. I'll tidy up.
No more internet for you ever.
And me?
You too, lazy slime.
Samantha, don't you think we're a little bit too harsh on Sue?
Yeah, I thought so too. Maybe we should give her these costumes.
Good idea, Samantha. Guys, we're off. Please vote for the costume you like best in the comments. Bye-bye!
Morning, Bucky. Looking for someone?
Chef Thorne, I've been on alert all night, making sure Ellery won't come and steal our food again. Oops, sorry.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, but if there's one day we don't have to worry about Ellery, it's today. It's the first day of spring. And on the first day of spring...
The lily buds grow lettuce for the worms, and bees start buzzing again, and Ellery... Ellery...
And Ellery does his spring cleaning. He cleans his house from top to bottom, searching for any leftover food he stored for the winter. And it takes him the whole day.
Hello, everyone. Isn't it a beautiful morning?
It is indeed, Rose. Here you go, Cap. Lunch is for the lettuce planting team.
Thank you, Thorne. Now we're good to go.
Well, if lunch is done, and we don't have to worry about Ellery, I think I'll take a little nap.
Oh, no, you don't. I have a little outing in mind to gather something for dinner tonight. You can sleep another time.
Can you believe it? It's still here. The hopscotch game I made last spring. Today is going to be the best day ever. Hi, Rose, Cap. Good, you're here. Dev, hi. Oh, and Cap, you brought our lunch. How thoughtful, because we'll be there for a really long time.
Oh, you're welcome. But where will we be for a really long time?
The path in the park. We're going to have so much fun. By the way, did anyone notice I have on my favorite spring dress? Oh, it's very pretty. But aren't you coming with us? I thought you were coming with me to play hopscotch.
Everyone ready to grow some lettuce?
Remember? For the earthworms. They're waking up today from their long winter sleep.
And they're going to be hungry.
It's the best day of the year. We get to turn up the soil and walk around in mud.
Right, I completely forgot. Otherwise, I would never have put on my favorite spring dress.
Oh, Lilac, don't worry. There are already plenty of us. Why don't you stay home and play hopscotch?
Really? I don't want to let anyone down. Moss, is it okay?
Sure, I could actually do it all by myself, but everyone seems to enjoy helping me. Let's go, team.
But if Moss doesn't need you, wouldn't you all rather come play hopscotch with me instead?
Maybe next time. Have fun.
Can you believe it, Bee? Huh? Bee? Hey there! I came to see if you two want to play hopscotch. It's really fun.
That's kind of you to ask, Lilac, but we're heading out to do something even better. Right, Bucky?
Huh? What were you saying? Oh, hiya, Lilac. Are you coming with us?
I guess so. What are you doing that's more fun than hopscotch?
Picking fiddleheads.
That's the fun thing. Picking ferns in the mud.
Of course, they taste delicious. Ask Bucky.
Bucky, careful, my dress!
Sorry.
Are you sure you wouldn't rather play hopscotch?
Thorne doesn't like hopscotch. But you can play here if you want to.
Bucky!
Sorry, Chef Thorne. My body's finally awake and it can't seem to stop jumping.
I've never seen the ground this hard. It's still half frozen from winter. We're gonna have to dig even deeper to help the worms out.
We have to. They depend on it, and so does nature to make the soil rich for plants. There's one.
He's okay. Just tired. Let's get to work.
Spring cleaning. Ugh, who invented such an unpleasant chore?
A do-gooder lilybud. My day just got better. Hello!
Oh, hi, Ellery. How would you like to play hopscotch with me?
Oh, I can't believe it! I saw you walking up the path, and I was just about to ask you the same thing.
You were? Oh, finally, someone to play hopscotch with. Yay!
Oh, my mistake. Sorry, Lilac. I was going to ask you to play a game, yes, but not hopscotch. It's called the brush game.
How do you play?
Easy. You take your brush and scrub down my porch, getting the yucky dirt away, like so.
Then what? Do we put the brushes down and jump over them?
No, just keep scrubbing. It gets better. Now brush up there.
Do you keep score? Whoever reaches farthest gets a point?
Something like that. Oh, you missed some dirt. Start over.
Are those cleaning supplies?
These? No, they're a part of the game.
Ellery, I'm beginning to think you're just trying to get me to do your spring cleaning.
What? Brush is the most fun game ever. Shall we continue?
No, thank you, Ellery. I'll help you clean some other time. Today I want to play hopscotch.
It was worth a try.
Hey, Bee, I can't believe everyone is so busy. Doesn't anyone want to have fun? That's it! I have to ask someone who loves to have fun and who loves hopping around even more. The rabbits!
Everybody in position? Here we go. Let's move some dirt.
Oh no! It's not working! The ground is too hard. Those poor worms must be so hungry.
We're all getting tired. Our magic's not working. What now, Rose?
Just one thing. Trying again. We can't give up now.
Come on. Here we go.
So perfect. Except for this annoying buzzing. Oh, hi, Lilac. Baby, it's Lilac.
Hello. Nice outfit.
Thank you. It's my favorite spring dress. So, I made up some new hopscotch games. Would you like to...
It's about to begin.
What's about to begin?
Something magical. We call it the water drop show. Wow! Did you see it?
Are you talking about that drop of water falling off that blade of grass?
You know, sometimes people miss it.
You haven't seen anything yet. Do you want to watch the water drop show with us? It's the best day of the year.
Look, Bobby and Bibi, I know everyone is different, but are you really telling me that's the best thing to do on the first day of spring?
Of course. Oh, and we'd be having even more fun if the ground wasn't so hard.
What are you doing?
If we jump up and down like this, it softens up the ground.
Oh, wait a second. If you really want to soften up the ground, I have the perfect thing. See? It's called hopscotch. We can soften up the ground and have fun at the same time.
We already have fun all the time.
What, with that water drop game?
It doesn't matter, as long as we're together.
You're right. You always have the most fun when you're with your friends. I should have gone with the others right from the start. Do you guys mind? I'm going to go find my friends.
Yeah, cool.
Whatever.
Can I still help? Are all the worms up?
Lilac! The ground is too hard.
Wait a second. The ground is too hard. Guys, I know what to do. Bobby and Bibi showed me.
It's working!
The worms are coming.
Look!
There's an
Lilac, your dress!
Oh, that doesn't matter. What matters is being with my friends.